This seed, we eat white one.
Yeah, white one.
Mm-hmm. This one is kamachile in Tagalog, the fruit.
In our dialect, damortis.
Damurut,
Damortis dialect, Ilocano, we call it like this. The
damor,
damortis, like that.
damorutis.
Yan.
Damorutis.
Ilocano.
다모르티스 까마칠레 이렇게 까서
That's why in Manila, there is a place they call Kamachile, Kamachile.
까마칠레 완두콩처럼 이렇게 완두콩처럼 생겼네요. 완두콩처럼 생겼는데 안에 씨가 들어있는데 하얀 부분을 먹는 거래요. 까마칠레.
One is red or red brown.
This
like that.
fruit is 까마칠레.
Yes, ma'am.
까마칠레.
And we eat it. But it's bitter.
Beet.
There
And
are,
that.
there are like that is good. This one is not so good.
까마칠레.